AI for me has been something I know we need to look at it, I know we need to get on with it, but it just seems to change every month. But actually coming to this event today makes you realise, okay, it's not that scary. We're trying to integrate AI into my company, Spirit Energy. We're a solar installer, so not like an immediate tech company, so it's not really obvious. AI as a business leader is quite a hard thing to actually get your head around. We got introduced to Tim and Innovation Visual about a month ago. We're actually looking to use them to do an audit on our CRM, HubSpot, which uses a lot of AI. And Tim said, well, you're looking to learn about AI, why don't you come down to the event today and do a bit of a workshop masterclass on it. And yeah, we're really excited, it's really good. I was expecting it to be sort of like not a lecture, but sort of a lecture style where it's him presenting and you're sort of just in rows. But actually we walked in, it's like a boardroom, really close knit, 10, 12 people, and that's so reassuring because you know, right, okay, I'm actually really gonna get something out of this. It's gonna be really hyper-focused. So yeah, it's gonna be really good. Looking at sort of your current processes, actually mapping them all out, then you can very easily look at how AI could actually plug in to get rid of the painful parts of the processes or speed up the slow parts and just automate as much as you can. Why is it valuable? Well, particularly in a small business like ours, it's going to enable us to grow much more quickly, get all of our employees to sort of do more valuable tasks. I've got so many ideas, I keep having to write them down because I'm going to have forgotten by the train home. Also, one of the things we've been discussing this morning has been about video, and that involves me literally script writing. So what we're now going to be able to do off the back of the workshop today is actually create an agent where once the script's written, the agent sees, okay, the script's written, adjust it a bit from script writing into a blog. From the blog, we'll adjust it into, say, 5 different social posts on LinkedIn, Facebook. Finally, some maybe shorts as well, cut the actual script up into shorts to post on YouTube. Top of the list is to go and implement that, and yeah, hopefully it saves 10 hours a week.